A day at the farm. Tom is a young boy. He lives in a small village with his family. One morning, Tom's mother says, "Tom, today we will visit Grandpa's farm." Tom is very happy. He loves animals, and he knows there are many animals on the farm. He quickly eats his breakfast and gets ready. "Let's go," he says. Tom and his mother walk to the farm. It is not far, just a 20-minute walk. On the way, Tom sees big trees, colorful flowers, and a small river. "Look, Mom. The water is so clear," Tom says. His mother smiles. When they arrive at the farm, Grandpa is waiting for them. "Welcome, Tom," Grandpa says with a big smile. "Are you ready to help me today?" "Yes, Grandpa," Tom replies. He is very excited. First, Grandpa takes Tom to the chicken coop. "These are our chickens," Grandpa says. "Can you collect the eggs?" Tom carefully picks up the eggs and puts them in a basket. "Look, Grandpa. I have 5 eggs," Tom says proudly. "Good job, Tom," Grandpa says. "Now, let's feed the cows." They walk to the barn. The cows are big and friendly. Grandpa gives Tom a bucket of food. "Here you go, cows," Tom says, pouring the food into a trough. The cows eat happily. After feeding the cows, Grandpa shows Tom the sheep. "The sheep need fresh water," Grandpa says. Tom helps Grandpa carry a bucket of water to the sheep. Next, they visit the garden. "Tom, do you want to pick some vegetables?" Grandpa asks. "Yes, Grandpa," Tom says. He picks tomatoes, carrots, and lettuce. "These are for dinner," Grandpa says. After a busy morning, it's time for lunch. They sit under a big tree and eat sandwiches. "This is the best day ever," Tom says. In the afternoon, Grandpa shows Tom how to milk a cow. "It's easy," Grandpa says. Tom tries, and soon he gets the hang of it. "Look, Mom. I can milk a cow," Tom says, laughing. Before they leave, Grandpa gives Tom a small pot. "This is for you," Grandpa says. Inside the pot is a little plant. "Take care of it, and it will grow big and strong." "Thank you, Grandpa," Tom says. He is very happy. As the sun sets, Tom and his mother walk back home. Tom feels tired but happy. "Today was a great day," he says. "Yes, it was," his mother agrees. That night, Tom dreams of the farm, the animals, and the fun he had with Grandpa. He can't wait to visit again.